started up running a workshop for another company, and then eventually led to running my own company and starting up a workshop working on jet skis and then machining parts. SeaDoo Centre is not in general a place that buys in equipment and sells it. We manufacture our own equipment and we're innovators. We invent new parts and manufacture them and sell them. 2004 SeaDoo Centre started, and I started working with SeaDoo in 1996. Best project was 2012. We built a complete hull and set that up for racing, and that has been the benchmark up until today. That's still the hull to race on. I discovered Haas automation by a friend that has 12 Haas machines in Lake Havasu City in Arizona, USA. So I've seen his machines running for years, and they run brilliantly, and that's how I was introduced to Haas. I selected Haas Factory Outlet Australia mostly because of George, and George really knew his equipment and seemed like a very genuine guy to talk to. And I also spoke to some of Haas CNC customers, and Elfex's customers spoke very highly of Elfex and their service capabilities and what they knew about machines. We have a Haas VF4 SS with a TR200Y 5-axis trunnion table on it. I was looking for, in a machine tool supplier, someone that knew their equipment and had excellent service capabilities and extremely good staff that were prompt, on time, and knew exactly what they were doing with the equipment required. We use our VF4 SS mostly for innovation, so any new parts, any 5-axis parts, any general production parts. Mostly we use it for aluminium, but probably 10% of its work is in steel as well, or stainless steel. And yeah, it gets a thrashing. Prior to the Haas machine, we had an Analem 5000 on a SAM4, which is a 3-axis CNC. And that machine ran constantly for us for about 14 years. Since getting the Haas machine, we've increased our product line with 6 new parts. We now machine about 90% of our parts in-house, and it's given us the ability for 5-axis parts as well, whereas before only doing 3-axis parts. I would strongly recommend Elfex CNC Australia.